United States of America, e pluribus unum, 1 cent. Okay, I have information here for the most valuable 1975 no mint mark Lincoln Memorial Cent and 1962D Lincoln Memorial Cent. Okay, I will read the information. Information I got. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 1975 penny with no mint mark was graded Mint State 68RD by Professional Coin Grading Service PCGS, sold for $9,000 in a 2018 auction. Okay, next information. 1962D. Here we go. Uncirculated 1962D Lincoln pennies are worth around 10 to 20 cents apiece. Meanwhile, the most valuable 1962D penny was graded by Professional Coin Grading Service PCGS as Mint State 67RD and fetched $12,000 in a 2013 auction. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now and have a great day.